The teacher and student, hello. Today I will introduce business analytics in UK banking industry. This speech is divided into 5 parts, namely business analytics, dashboard of UK bank, descriptive analysis, predictive analysis, and conclusion. Let's start with part 1. First of all, what is business analytics? Business analytics provides decision makers with deep industrial complete data. A statistical analysis, model and prediction. The analysis not only help decision makers understand current business situation, but also helps them predict future trends and making more information decisions. With development of science and technology, many digital technology can be combined with business analytics, such as big data, artificial intelligence, machine learning, making decisions, making process more specific and accurate. In other words, business analytics provides service for decision making. For part 2, this part explains the source of data collection and current background of UK banking industry and show number banks and variables. Recording the source of data, I mainly use the data website, namely Frame, IBIS, and Dexta, to ensure the accuracy and authority of data. I collect the data for 10 banks in total, and here are the logos. 8 variables were collected. Name turnover, profit before taxation, return the capital employed, profit margin, electoral radio, net temple assessed, return the shareholder funds, and taxation. By showing all the collection data, I have two general understanding of the background of British banking industry. By 2029, the marketing size of British banking industry will be raised to US dollar 272.96 billion. And at the same time, the regulatory environment of banking industry become increasingly strained, and competition between traditional banks and online banking is become more and more fierce. More than 85% of the adults have already used online banking. I collect data for the 10 banks and 8 variables for 2014 to 2023 and make the distributable use Excel. As you can see for the figure, there are following 4 challenges in British banks. During the period of 2014 to 2023, a turnover of British banks show a significant downward trend, and the growth trend was observed. In 2018, the turnover of British banks fell to the low side point. According to strategies, the GDP growth rate of the UK in 2018 was only 1.4%, and economic growth slowed down. In addition, Brexit has led to new regulatory requirements of British financial industry. Complete external fracture had led to the cut in turnover of British banks. More banks have similarly equity ratio, which means that financial and most banks are relatively healthy. Too high or too low liquidity ratio are not contributing to banks' fund management. Bank with a higher proportion of net tangible assets have more suitable assets signature, such as Tenstar Bank. The third part shows Descriptive analysis. Descriptive strategies show some basic information extract for complex data, such as central tendency, dispersion, and outliers, as can be seen for the figure. Okay. For IQR value, the length of box represents IQR. IQR reflects the dispersion of data distribution. The larger of IQR, the greater of volatility of data. Okay. Banks such as Aviva, Barclays, HSBC, and charts show smaller IQR, indicating that they are more consistent and stable in financial performance. Stands show significantly lower IQR and show gentle volatility in all four indicators. Okay. Oops. Also, descriptive data can quickly extract the overall trend and situation of data. It cannot reveal the internal relationship between complex data. Therefore, the significance of descriptive data into lead to foundational step-ground analysis. Next is predictive analysis, which is about the relationship between the variable. I use the turnover and profit. The figure is regression analysis of dependent variable turnover. The R variable is 0.773, which provides that strong positive correction between the adapting variable and the dependent variable. R2 is 0.598, which means that adapting variable has strong statutory power of dependent variables. Okay. The next page, the R variable is 0.973, which shows that the dependent variable has very strong explanatory power of dependent variables. R2 equal 0.947, indirectly that dependent variable can explain the flexion of the dependent variable to a large extent. The other four independent variable has no significant impact on dependent variable. In addition, also conduct correction analysis on each variable. A conclusion draw for the rigorous analysis on the correction analysis are consistent. And it also concludes that turnover has a significant negative correction with profit before correction. In general, a speech conducive relation complete business analysis. This article uses 8 variable data for 10 banks as example to conduct business analysis of UK banking industry. And this is reference. Thank you.